So again, this is Tesla FSD 11.3.6. So I'm driving in light rain. I just want to see how it works in light rain. So this is green light, so it started driving now. Since it's raining, I'm going to give full attention while driving. So it says apply slight turning force. Wipers are automatically on. I didn't touch them. So this is the car going and it's trying to change the lane. Yeah, because this car is going very slow, so that's why it changed the lane. These are people walking in the middle of the road. They were not supposed to walk, but they're walking. But Tesla recognized it even if it is in rain. Now there is a green signal there, so there was water. So it just went through the lights because it was a green signal.
In 1,000 feet, bear right.
I have to bear right here.
Now bear right. In 500 feet, turn right. Then your destination will be on the left. Now turn right.
This is parking lot, so